Hello everyone, I am performing the Stator Resistance Starter test on this virtual lab platform. So friends, I would like to perform my experiment with some explanation. तो इस टेस्ट का ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि हम किसी इंडक्शन मोटर को स्मूथली किस तरह से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो हमें इंडक्शन मोटर को स्टार्ट करने के लिए करंट चाहिए। तो उसी करंट को ऑब्टेन करने के लिए इंडक्शन मोटर के स्टेटर के वाइंडिंग के पर फेज में सम रेसिस्टेंसेस इंसर्ट करते हैं और इस रेसिस्टेंस को ऐड करने के वजह से जिस साइड से हम पावर सप्लाई करते हैं और पावर सप्लाई करने के बाद जब वो वोल्टेज उस रेसिस्टेंस के अक्रॉस जाता है तो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप होता है। उस वोल्टेज ड्रॉप होने के बाद जब मोटर टर्मिनल पे वोल्टेज जाता है तो जो पावर सप्लाई वोल्टेज होता है और जो इंडक्शन मोटर के टर्मिनल पे वोल्टेज होता है दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस आ जाता है। एंड वी नो दैट द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज द कॉज ऑफ करंट। सो इन दिस वे वी गेट द starting current as well as the difference in power factor. So I would like to go to the experiment. So I am performing my experiment now. From this I would like to say some about these connections. So this connection is the connection which is coming from the power station, and this is a connection which is from here this it come to our home, and this is a variable resistance box which is rheostat, and this is a voltmeter which measures the voltage. This is a oscilloscope, and this oscilloscope is lightweight and portable, so it is used in experiments as well as many things because it gives not only the waveform but it gives the frequency of the waveforms, rise and fall, also RMS voltage, etc. And this one is an ammeter which will connect it through the L11, and this is tachometer. We know that tachometer measure the rotating speed of the shaft, and this is a torque meter, so it is clear from its name that it will measure the torque. And this is a motor terminals. Here we will connect the output which will come from here. This will be its input and this will be the output, and this output will be connected through this ammeter. So I am performing this from now. So this one is a red color, and this one is a green, this one is a blue, and this one is a black. So red color and black color, these are the live wires of a single phase, and this one is live wire of 3 phase, and this is a ground wire and this is a neutral wire. So I am starting from here. The channel 1 I am connecting to L11, and this is the channel 2 and channel 3 which will be connected through the shaft. And now I will choose the red color wire, and this will connect through here, and this will go to the I3. And now I will choose the green color, and this will be go to the I2, and this one is a neutral and it will connect to I1, and this one is a red, and this is the output and this is the input of motor terminal which will be connected like that. And this is a ground wire, and this ground wire will connect through V1, and this is a neutral wire, and this will be connect through W1, and now it will be, this is a live single phase wire, and this will be connect from one end of this voltmeter, and this is a ground wire. This will be connect from the other end of this voltmeter, and now this terminal is remaining which I have to connect. So I am choosing the black color, and this will be connect like this, and this will be connect like this, and here we will short circuit this, and then I will check the connection our, which is like this. Yes, this is the right connection. So now we can perform our given task, and by on the miniature circuit 1, this is MCB, and this one is MCB 2, and now this will be on 1, and then start. This is this man and this man both gets on, and now here, from here we can say that at 0, and this one is also on the 0, and now I am pairing this resistance. So here this is, we are seeing that this needle and this needle, or this pointer and this pointer, both from 0 to here, and this one is 0 to here, and again I am varying this. So here and this one is here, and now we can see the oscilloscope from channel 1 what is showing. This one is this, and channel 2 this is like that, and on channel 3 this is like that. So I am completing here my task. So thank you.